This is what I'm talking about, bro. This is what I'm talking about. This is nasty, bro. Bro, this is nasty. Bro, they is not getting this order. They be killing me. They be like, I don't see the bad orders that they be saying. I don't see the 10-mile deliveries. Man, you see it right here. This is crazy, boy. They ain't getting no food from me. I'm gonna tell DoorDash, hey, Jesus is coming back tonight. They not getting this order. This is crazy right here, boy. They tripping. Let me not be at 58% on my soul. They better put me at 58 after accepting some trash like that. Me at 58. That mug said $12 for 14 miles, bro. And they think they might get it from me. That much I know is a fact. They will not be getting it from me. First of all, I never even been here before. Second of all, I ain't going 14 miles away for $12. For 14 miles, I need $45. DoorDash got me messed up, boy. They think I'm going all the way down there? Shit. By the time I come back, it'll be 9 p.m. They tripping. Yep, I need $45 to make that trip. Where is this place at? Man, I never been here before. I don't even see the place. You know what? It don't matter. It don't matter if I can see the place because I'm not delivering the order no ways. It don't matter. They be like, why he calling the DoorDash drop? Why he call the customer stupid? You want to know why? This is why I call the customer stupid. Yeah, I seen how far away she was. Look. You see how far away she is? Look how far away she is. And then look what she ordered though. Not me. I ain't got to do it. And I'm not going to do it. I will not do it. Absolutely crazy. $12.50 for 13.6 miles. Would y'all take this order? Would you take this order right here that I got? They is tripping. They tripping. No, hell no, no way, nah, nope, nope. Bro, did you see what I said? What you say, Sigma? Let me scroll back now that I'm not driving. What you say? 100 past 2 days, get a phone holder. I got a phone holder, but see, when I'm on this phone, I gotta have it because DoorDash don't send me the notifications through when the orders come through. So I need to keep it close. But I got another phone holder right here above you. You can't see it, but it's right there. So I got another spot to sit this phone. I just don't want to use it right now. You couldn't see the miles? $12.50 for 13 miles. This man asked me, have I tried Uber Eats? He's so funny. Would you take this order?